I'm Miller Phillips, owner of Boshamps Seafood and Oyster House here in Destin, Florida. We're really excited to get our new decks redone after 13 years, and we're really excited to have gotten it done with BFS and Nature Bridges. And they were the guys that we dealt with on the first go around, and they were the guys who we bought the lumber from to initially do this with, and that started all of this with us, built all these incredible structures, these 3 dining decks, the boardwalk, and the beach area for all of our guests. One great thing about this deal for me was I knew these guys from the past, and they did a good job then, knew that they would do the right job this time. There wasn't any really bidding process or anything for us because we knew that we were going to get what we were paying for with them, and we certainly did. It's nice to know John and Jay Pugh at BFS and to have that relationship. It was a really good experience for us. Any changes that we wanted made, anything that we needed, it came right away. There was never any confusion or arguments or anything other than, yes sir, we got it, we'll get it done. And that's a really good thing to have and something that's pretty rare in my business. So we're really excited to have it done and for everybody to see it and for our guests to come out and enjoy it. We really appreciate BFS and Nature Bridges for everything that they did.
Just getting started.